Hello everyone, welcome to Chrisdom Investor, where you get timely, quality and unbiased opinion on the stocks and investment opportunities. This video is about a stock that can be added to your portfolio at the current levels. I expect this stock to deliver at least 60% returns in this financial year. I treat this stock as a defensive stock. For understanding what a defensive stock is, please click the top right corner link. Now I will explain to you why I picked this stock for my portfolio. Please like the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell icon for getting updates on my future videos and live sessions. This company gave a 6 months return at 78% despite these pandemic times and currently trading at around rupees 700 levels for a big upside move ahead. Let's check its fundamentals. It is having a market cap of 46,483 crores. Current price is at rupees 706.5. 52 weeks high and low are 836.9 rupees and 380 rupees respectively. Book value at 861 rupees. Stock PE at 12.6 and trading below the industry PE. It is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 0.57%. ROCE at 10.48%, ROE at 9.43%, sales growth over 3 years at 29.11%, equity capital at 131.57 crores at a face value of 2. Total assets at 2,44,278 crores. Debt at 84,651 crores. Sales at 71,158 crores. Profit after tax 3,698 crores. The company fundamentals are average. There is no pledging of shares by the promoters. Stock is trading at 0.83 times its book value. The company has delivered good profit growth of 28.66% CAGR over the last 5 years. The company name is Grasim Industries Limited. It is a flagship company of the US $48.3 billion Aditya Birla Group, ranks amongst the top publicly listed companies in India. Incorporated in 1947, it started as a textile manufacturer in India. Today, it has evolved into a leading diversified player with leadership presence across many sectors. It is a global leading producer of viscose staple fiber, the largest chlor-alkali, linen and insulators player in India. Through its subsidiaries Ultratech Cement and Aditya Birla Capital, it is also India's largest cement producer and a leading diversified financial services player. So, why do I recommend this company? 3 strong reasons. Number 1. Grasim is having a significant stake in the Vodafone Idea, and the Supreme Court has given 10 years time to restructure its loan. Expect the data prices to increase in the future, and which improves the Vodafone Idea profitability. Recently, Vodafone Idea CEO has hinted at raising tariffs, which will help turn profitable in long run. This indicates a valuation advantage to the Grasim Industries for being a significant stakeholder. How? Vodafone Idea is trading at around rupees 11 with equity of rupees 28,735 crores at face value 10. Grasim shareholding at 11.55%, which means at the current share price, its market value is 36,674 crores. This is the money which it can cash out when it sells the stake in Vodafone Idea. Grasim's total debt is at around rupees 84,000. So just the Vodafone Idea share price at rupees 25 is enough to declare Grasim Industries as debt free if it wants to go. Hope you understand the valuation advantage for Grasim here. Number 2. Prices of the caustic soda in the international market have raised drastically, a big positive for its chemical segment. Further, the caustic soda production staged a strong recovery in volumes during the quarter. The capacity utilization improved to 70% in the month of June after a low of 23% utilization witnessed in April 2020. Number 3. Textiles is a dark horse, and Grasim is top 10 textiles player in India and internationally having a strong presence. It has the largest manufacturing units of viscose staple fiber and viscose filament yarn in Asia. In this quarter, the health and hygiene concerns have assumed primacy in light of the current pandemic. Grasim's Liva brand has launched antimicrobial fiber. The fabric produced using this special fiber inherently possesses antimicrobial properties, which inhibits the growth of microbes, bacteria and viruses on apparel. Further, the credit rating by ICRA Limited and CRISIL for the NCDs issued by the company is AAA stable. So, if we dig deep into the balance sheet, investments have drastically increased along with assets and liabilities owing to its capacity expansions in the viscose staple fiber, technical textiles, and caustic soda. In my research, I found that top line yet to reflect the same. So, expect a drastic improvement in the top line for the coming quarters. Cash flows have drastically improved, especially from the operating act, which is a big positive. DCF valuation arrives at around rupees 2000 per share, discussion of which is out of the scope for this short video. If you carefully notice from the recent quarterly results, one may observe that even in the lockdown times, its operating profits doesn't affect much and stood at rupees 3,300 crores, which indicates the value addition and demand for its products during the pandemic times. FIIs are holding 12.7% and public at 25.5% only. Delivery volumes on a monthly basis have started improving. In my research, I found that the company has initiated various measures to optimize operations across plants, reduce its fixed costs, and conserve cash as part of its comprehensive business continuity plan. The company continues to maintain a very comfortable level of liquidity to navigate an uncertain business environment. The company, with its inherent financial strength, operational excellence, and diverse product portfolio, are well poised to withstand temporary disruptions and sustain leadership across its businesses. In view of the above, I expect returns at least 60% in this financial year. As such, I believe it is an undervalued stock. It has the best CAGR at 52.4% for a decade until the year 2018. If we assume a similar performance in the coming financial years, rupees 1 lakh investment can deliver up to rupees 8 lakhs 22,100 on a 5-year basis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your investments.